Hello, we're going to be looking at strings. Alright, so we're going to have a string here. We're going to title it hello. Right? So here, as you can see, what are the variables? We were assigning numbers to them, while here we're actually assigning words, characters. Right? So there's two ways you could do this. You use a double quote followed by some type of text or even an empty space. And then but you must end it with another double quote. Okay? So if I were to print this string, I'd get hello. There's another way to do this as well. So we have this string, and we're going to assign a word to it. And we're going to assign a word. So if you take a close look here, I use a single quote instead of a double quote, and it works perfectly. See? Okay. Now here is where it can be a little bit funny. So say this string is there's going to be assigned a string called you are human. Okay. As you can see, there's no problem at all doing that with double quotes, but there is a problem here if you were to use single quotes. And you can see where the problem is. See, this portion of the code is not highlighted, and if you already hit enter, you see I have an invalid syntax. So to fix that, the way you would do it is type u, and then you have a backslash, okay, followed by the single quote, and then human. You see it works perfectly. So that is something you need to watch out for when working with strings. Yeah, so that'll do it for right now. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.